Let's learn how to convert all numbers in base 9 to base 10. Here is an example. Convert 6 base 9 to base 10. Let's solve. Solution. We have 6 base 9. Now the first step is to number these digits starting from the back with 0. That is 0, 1. If there are other numbers here, we keep on numbering it until we've exhausted all the digits in the number. But for this number, we only have 2 digits and we've numbered them 0, 1, starting from the back. And the next step is to take the first digit, 6, multiplied by the base, 9, raised to the power of the numbering we have for that digit, which is 1, plus, we do the same thing for the next digit, 6, multiplied by the base, 9, raised to the power of the numbering, 0. And we simplify. 6 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 1 is 9, plus 6 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0, 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. So here we have 6 multiplied by 9, that gives us 54, plus 6 multiplied by 1, 6. Then we had 54 plus 6, that gives us 60 base 10. And that's how to convert a whole number in base 9 to base 10. Thank you.